Hi, welcome to my channel. It's your girl getting it right with Olivia. Today I'm going to talk about the wrong notion people have about submission. Wives being submissive to their husband. Yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about today. So, some men have misunderstood the word submissive. Submissive, as it is written in the Bible. The Bible says that wives should be submissive to their husbands and their husbands should love their wife. That's what the Bible says. But some married men want their wife to be submissive to them. They want their wife to give them their respect. Submission simply means in marriage, or submission simply means respect. To be submissive means to give respect to your husband. Now, some men want their wives to give them that respect, but they don't work towards that. They don't work to earn that respect. They just want the respect. If you want your wife to respect you, you have to work towards that respect. Is in everybody. If you want anybody to respect you in this life, you have to work towards it. Respect does not just fly. You cannot, as in, you will not do what will not earn you respect, and you still expect people to respect you. You have to behave yourself first. Take for example, if you're a married man, you sleep with your maid, you sleep with anything you see on skirts. You cannot use your eyes and see a female pass you by without staring, without looking lustfully, and your wife is right there with you, or your wife knows about it, and yet still wants respect from your wife. How is that possible? How do you want her to respect you? Is it possible? She will not respect you. She will not have that respect for you. It's natural. She may try to respect you, but because of the things you are doing, because of the things you are involved in, she can't help it. She can't help herself. We are all human. She can't help herself. She can't force it in respecting you, because the things you are doing does not earn you that respect. She will start seeing you like a boy, if not a house boy. Yeah, because the things you are doing is what all this boy that is not up to marriageable age can do. So how come a married man is behaving as such? So as a married man, you want your wife to be submissive to you. You want her to give you your respect. Please respect yourself first. As a married man, respect yourself first so that you can earn that respect from your wife. So that your wife will give you your total respect that you need from her. That submission that you want from her. There is no woman you will treat right that will not behave well. Treat a woman right, give her her respect, and you see her worship you forever, and you see her worship you for life. Try it and see. Seriously, give your wife her respect, and you will see her worship you like her king. She will worship you like a king. So, for you to be a king that your wife will worship, you know how kings carry themselves. You know how they carry themselves, right? So, carry yourself like a king so that your wife will worship you, so that your wife will adore you, so that your wife will give that respect, that submission that you want from her. Carry yourself like a king. Kings don't behave anyhow. They have prestige, they have dignity, they have self respect. They mind the things they do. They don't just do some things. No. So carry yourself like a king that you are, so that your wife will worship you like the king that you are, and she will be your queen. Okay, so work towards earning that respect from your wife. You don't disrespect your wife. You don't do things that will not earn you that respect and expect her to still respect you. It's not possible. You don't do things anyhow. You have to first of all what? Give her her respect. Respect yourself. Like if you respect yourself, it's natural. When you When you're the type that respects yourself, even people outside will respect. People will give you that respect. You don't need to beg anybody to respect you. The respect will come what naturally. Serious, the respect will come what natural, and you see people respect you. It's because of the way you carry yourself. It's because of the way you present yourself to them. You don't behave anyhow. You mind the kind of people you talk to. You mind the things you say outside. You respect yourself. So please, married men, first of all, respect yourself. First of all, respect yourself so that you can gain that respect from whosoever you want respect from. Respect yourself so that your wife can respect you and give you the full respect that you want from her. She'll be submissive and serve you like a king. All right. I know you enjoyed today's video, so till I see you again in my next video. I still remain your girl, getting it right with Olivia. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I love you guys. See you.